you can't see doesn't mean it's not there. Oh no! Huh? Raymond, I'm breathing white now. Yes, you are. We all breathe every second. But I can't see anything. Where is the air? Air isn't hiding, Jemima. It's just doing something very special. Now, let me ask you something. Can you feel the air? Yes, when I on or when the fan is on. Exactly. That tells us something very important. Air is real but clear. Clear like clean water. Yes, just like clean glass or clean water, air does not block light. Our eyes can only see things that can stop light or reflect light. Like my clothes and the wall. Exactly, but air lets light pass through it. So light just goes through the air. Yes, and because nothing stops the light, our eyes see nothing. But Raymond, I've seen air before. Have you? Are you sure? Yes, when the window blows doors or when balloon moves. That is right. We don't see air itself, we see what it moves. Oh, so air shows itself by pushing things. Perfectly said. So we don't see air with our eyes, but we can see it with our imagination. Exactly. Every time a leaf dances or a kite flies, that is air saying hello. So